this video I'll show you how I created a YouTube video completely with artificial intelligence. I didn't need to write the script, I didn't need to produce the video, I didn't even need to create the thumbnail myself. This is all completely done automatically for me. And this video is a recording of me doing this process. I haven't actually recorded the video just yet, but there'll be a link below this video in the description which will show you the video that was produced as you watch me do this. On this video I'll give you some links where you can actually get access to this AI software. I'm an affiliate with them. It means you're going to pay exactly the same price, but I do get a small commission. And again, think about that in terms of what you could do, because you can be an affiliate with this software as well. Use the software to create videos, use those videos, get the views, and just be an automated software selling machine for you. I do also want to point out, if you're interested in that sort of thing, I'm also an early stage investor with young companies. I do that through an investment club called VC Crowd. Again, there'll be a link in the description for that. So if you want to get in early with young companies that have potential for huge growth, these are not stock market companies. You don't need to know anything about investing. The club does all the work for you. Do check out the links for that as well. But let's jump in. So what we're looking at here is a piece of software, and I'm already a fully paid member. You can try this for free as a basic version, which is still very, very powerful in its own right. But with the premium version, you don't get any watermarks on the videos, so they are entirely your content generated by this AI software. So what are we wanting to do? We wanted to create a YouTube video. So let's do a YouTube explainer. So we're going to create a 2-minute YouTube video. So you get to choose, first of all, how long is your video going to be? So let's do a 2-minute video. Give me an engaging topic. So this topic is, I want to produce a YouTube video that explains how you can use the power of AI software to totally create from start to finish an engaging and informative video showing how to use AI to produce the video. Now that sounds a bit complicated in one sense. It's not. I mean, I'm just typing this as I'm thinking, so let me just reread this. I want to produce a video that explains how you can use the power of AI software to totally create from start to finish an engaging, informative video showing how to use AI to produce the video. It's kind of a topsy-turvy thing, because I'm actually doing this to create itself. Some further information. So creative directions. It should be fast-paced and exciting with a strong call to action. To check out the description below the video, which will link to another video which shows the whole process from start to finish. This point out how insanely simple and easy this is. Okay, make background music, dancing, haunting, upbeat. Let's use that idea there. Upbeat music. Settings, we'll use a male voice. We will use we'll use a middle-aged British voice. Subtitles, we'll add some subtitles. Word by word subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. Brilliant, looks fantastic. And we'll use iStock. Normally we click continue. So we've given it our instructions here. So now we click on generate video. So we've used 642 characters of 3,600. And again, you could get AI to give you the prompt as well. You can go to ChatGPT, Bard, you can use Copilot. These are all free AI tools which will give you the prompt. This is called the prompt, where you give the instructions to the AI to work out what to do. So it's done its analysis. It's said that's complete. It's now thinking about what sort of videos to use, what sort of text to put together. So it's got a title now, Harness the Power of AI, a Video Production Journey. So that's really nice. It's come up with a brilliant title there. Again, any bit that you don't like on this, you can edit that, you can change it, you can use the AI to give you prompts, to give you ideas as to how you might want to change that. But that's a pretty good title, Harness the Power of AI. But we'll also look, you can use something like TubeBuddy to give you ideas on that. So, Harness the Power of AI, a video production journey. So, who's the audience? We could aim this for video creators, tech enthusiasts, AI enthusiasts. Well, I want this video to be appealing to people who are looking into AI. So I'm going to go for AI enthusiast. Look and feel, modern, bright, professional. Minimalist, modern, bright, professional. Let's go with its suggestion there. And platform is YouTube, so let's click continue. So this bit it now take a few minutes, but essentially what I did was give it a prompt. And like I've said, you can use ChatGPT or AI to generate a prompt for you to give you the ideas for videos anyway. So if you're thinking, if that's the one stumbling block you've got, was, well, what sort of videos do I make? Use AI to give you suggestions. Absolutely mind-blowing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video here, because what this is going to do, it's going to take about 2 or 3 minutes just to come up with the video. Then we'll get a preview. We can then download this, upload it to YouTube. The other thing I need to show you is to generate a thumbnail. So actually we'll go and do that as well at the moment whilst this video is processing. So what we want to do, so I'm going to go into ChatGPT here. How can I help you today? I'm going to use the DALL-E, and I want it to create a thumbnail for the video which is being created in the background at the moment. So create a YouTube thumbnail which is attractive and draws attention with a call to action of click the thumbnail to watch the video. The video is all about how to use AI to generate engaging and informative videos without needing any skills or effort. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. So DALL-E, creating image. One thing I didn't give there was its dimensions, but let's just see what it comes up with, because we need it in the same sort of format for a YouTube video thumbnail. It may work it out from that automatically anyway. So there it goes, creating image. Usually gives us a couple of options here. With ChatGPT, by the way, I use the premium version, $20 a month. Let's have a look, see, yeah, okay, that's a square. So let's give that, create similar thumbnail, yep, but in 12:8 by 720 format. So let's ask it to give it in a more suitable format. Now, one thing that DALL-E is not good at is text. Still at this stage, can create fantastic videos, images, but when you ask it for text, so I might regenerate this and say don't put any text on it, although I did give it that to say click to watch, which it has done on this video. Generate videos effortlessly, which is entertaining. So here we go, we've now got them in the right format. Let's have a look at this one. Generate videos effortlessly, click to watch. Let's have a look, see what else we got. Click to watch. Yeah, I think I'd like a picture of a person. Create a YouTube thumbnail. When you look at YouTube thumbnails, most of them have a picture of a face on, with a young, attractive woman showing, or let's go pointing to a video screen, pointing to a smartphone. This is to promote a video which shows how anyone can use AI to generate YouTube videos on the fly. Add a click here button. Format 1280 by 720 again. Let's see what it comes up with this time. So already created an image. Let's just go back and have a look at the video. Okay, so the video is done. So it's a 2-minute 6-second video. So this is all whilst we're just working out this thumbnail. Let's just see what it comes up with for the thumbnail. From start to finish so far, this has taken just over 10 minutes. I've not edited out anything actually, where I said I was going to pause whilst it created the video. So, and again, I've not had to be creative at all, except for just giving the prompts. And again, remind you, you don't have to be creative on those prompts because you can let AI help you on that front as well. Here we go, look at this. So there's our video, thumbnail. I quite like that one, and I can put some text on this one, so let me just put a little bit of text on this. There's also Canva, which I believe does a very good job and uses AI to create images, so I'll take that one. So we'll copy that image. This is the one bit which I will use a bit of my own skills just to put some text over the top of this, but again, not complicated. Canva is a good place that you can do that sort of thing without needing any huge amounts of effort. But let's just go and watch this video as well that is created for us. There's a link in the description so you can go and watch this video in full actually, so rather than me wasting 2 minutes of your time playing this video, click the link in the description. That will take you through so you can see the video that this AI has just generated for me. There you go. That is just astonishing. I'm not going to bother editing that video. You can edit this, so if we click on edit, you can edit the script so you can see each by frame. So if there's something in there you think, well, that's actually not quite right, but I'm pretty impressed with what's there. You can change the images as well, so if you want to, you know, if the images that the AI has chosen for the text don't match up, then you can change that as well. But essentially I'm happy with that. So we can click on export. We'll export the video. So we want no watermarks. Select invideo.ai branding. We're going to have none. Select the export resolution 1080. So yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. So let's just go back whilst that's being downloaded. I just want to edit the thumbnail. So let me bring in my software so you can see this. I use some free software here which I've used for years, called Paint Shop Pro. Okay, so I've just modified the thumbnail image, how to generate YouTube videos entirely using AI. Click to play. So we'll save that and we'll upload that with our video now. So we've got our video. Let's click download. So that's been produced. So it's 2 minutes 12 seconds long. It's got a call to action at the end. We can also get it to generate the full text and outline with chapters, which YouTube really does enjoy as well. So that's all there ready to go. So it's just downloading, and then we'll upload that onto our YouTube video. And again, remember, this has been entirely done using AI. All the links are in the description, so if you want the software, which is called invideo.ai, again, use my link there. It'll be the same price as you'd pay for it anywhere, but it means you'll potentially get my support as an affiliate as well. Do also check out the VC Crowd, the investment club, where we invest in early stage businesses. The club does all the effort and the hard work. You don't need to know anything about investing. Simply pay a membership to the club every month. They give you shares in exciting young privately owned businesses that they've carefully researched and investigated and have that potential for huge growth. So you're talking about businesses that can give you 10x, 100x, maybe even 1000x on some of those investments. It's a long-term project. That's not something that's going to make you rich overnight. That's not what the club is all about. But if you're interested in getting in the next Tesla, next Facebook right at the start, then that's what the club is all about. So the video is just downloaded now, so I'll upload that to my YouTube channel. And like I said, description to see that video, that full video, is also in the description as well. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have more tips and ideas, primarily about helping people make money using automation, making their money work for them, do subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful. Give me a big thumbs up as well if you found it interesting. Let me know your comments below as well, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.